topic is the difference between number 1 individual demand, number 2 market demand. We have already discussed individual demand schedule and individual demand curve. Now let us clear market demand schedule and market demand curve. Market demand schedule actually this is market demand schedule is a summation of all individual demand schedules. This chapter, theory of demand, actually chapter is based upon consumer. Assume that you are a consumer. Now for the construction of market demand schedule, let us suppose that at the rate of 10 rupees, A consumer, B consumer, C consumer. These are the three consumers in the market which are purchasing a particular commodity at price at rupees 8, 6, 4 or 2. With every decrease in price, demand for consumer will increases. At the rate of 10 rupees, consumer A purchases 2 kilograms of a particular commodity. This is demand in kilograms. At the rate of 8 rupees, demand increases by 4 kilograms. At the rate of 6 rupees, consumer A's demand increases by 6 kilograms. At the rate of 4 rupees, demand extends to 8 kilograms. And at the rate of 2 rupees, A consumer's demand extends to 10 kilograms. Now B consumer's demand. B consumes 3 kilograms of a particular commodity at the rate of 10 rupees. At the rate of 8 rupees, demand extends to 6, 9, 12 and ultimately at the rate of 2 rupees, B consumer purchases 15 kilograms of a particular commodity. Now C consumer at the rate of 10 rupees, C consumer purchases 5 kilograms of a particular commodity. At the rate of 8 rupees, demand extends to 10 kilograms, 15 with every decrease in price, demand extends to, and last one is 25 kilograms. Now let us prepare market demand, which is horizontal summation of all individuals demand. It means A plus B plus C consumers demand is equal to market demand. Market demand is the horizontal summation. Horizontal summation means 2 plus 3 plus 5, ये market demand. 4 plus 6 plus 10, 6 plus 9 plus 15, 8 plus 12 plus 20, 10 plus 15 plus 25. Is equal to 10 kilograms. At the rate of 10 rupees, market demand is 10 kilograms. At the rate of 8 rupees, market demand is 20 kilograms. At the rate of 6 rupees, market demand is 30 kilograms. At the rate of 4 rupees, market demand extends to 40 kilograms. And ultimately at the rate of 2 rupees, market demand extends to 50 kilograms. It means market demand shows the relationship between price and all consumers demand. That is known as market demand. Horizontal summation of all consumers demand is known as market demand. So this is market demand schedule. And now let us convert this market demand schedule into market demand curve. we will prepare a single diagram for market demand schedule. First of all, always take price on OY axis and demand on OX axis. Price 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 rupees. And demand in kilograms. First of all, A consumer's demand. A consumer demands. First of all, let us take the data regarding market demand on x-axis. Divide the whole axis into 5 equal parts: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Further division: 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, and last one is 50. Further division: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 30, 35, 1st of all, we will prepare A consumer's demand at the rate of 10 rupees. A consumer's demand is just for 2 kilograms. At the rate of 8 rupees, A consumer's demand is 4 kilograms. At the rate of 6 rupees, A consumer demand is just for 6 kilograms. At the rate of 4 rupees, A consumes 8 kilograms of a particular commodity. At the rate of 2 rupees, A consumer's demand is 10 kilograms. While joining all these points, we will obtain DD demand curve and write down A consumer's demand. Next one is B consumer's demand. B consumes 3 kilograms, 1, 2, 3, 3 kilograms at the rate of 10 rupees. B consumes 6 kilograms of a particular commodity at the rate of 8 rupees. B consumes 9 kilograms of a particular commodity